They give you 2 hours. I gotta go get 2 hours. They got 2 hours. They got less than an hour. Oh, be quiet. I just want to get.
I leave before you. I leave at 1:15.
1:15. Hold on.
Yeah. Wait, last time
I got it. What time is it?
Last time I left, they gave us 18 minutes. I still waited here and on the boat.
Oh, it's going to be what? I thought it was thinking. What time is it?
That's why it leaves almost at 2 o'clock. 1:40. 1:40 or 1:40. Ah, what?
And then you could take it to the ERD. I take you all the way down to F. No, you have a problem. No, he shoots it. I know it is. I can't where we are. I gotta go get one. Maybe you can take me. I can get the candy store. See the other flight that's same? I got to get the engine. And we'll get to get t-shirts and stuff. Yeah. That's good. No, come on the flight. Come on the flight more. When I found out myself, I around here was, probably singing and carrying like I used to call it. Now I'm looking at the thing in the restaurant. Right in time to go. We got to restart too. Still second that one. No, we're still up there. Not that one. Yeah, we're going there. Not that one. That's the time. I don't know. So it's supposed to go into a person. Call them. I did. I never missed that. I'm going to call them. Call them. So when I get to the airport, I call them. I told you that she broke her wrist, right? Yeah. Why did she go in the hospital? Because I want to know why her left leg didn't come out. No, she said. They're on the East Coast. Okay. Yeah, they're on the East Coast. Yes, I mean, they right on the ocean. We don't get on the ocean. It's not that far. So when I came up this way, we drive from there to Maryland. About 2.5 hours. To Maryland? We're not going to Maryland. That's what I'm saying. It's expensive. It's about an hour drive. Never say my love road, so come in. Relax, get on the bike and gone. Helmet and everything. He's getting a lot of grandchildren.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of US Airways, it is our pleasure to welcome you to Charlotte. Local time is 12:45. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelts fastened and leave all of your luggage stowed until we are parked safely at the gate area. At that time, the fasten seatbelt sign will be turned off. That'll be your indication that it is safe to stand. Once again, a reminder, we ask that you use caution when opening up the overhead storage bins to retrieve your articles, as those articles may have shifted about during the flight. If you are holding a connecting reservation,